Hi guys, this is Rich again, and this is the 10th video in my series about great places for flatwater kayaking in West Virginia. You may have already guessed because of the sandstone cliffs, but today I'm on the largest lake in West Virginia, Summersville Lake. In this video I'm going to be paddling from Salmon Run to Pirates Cove. It's a great trip on the kayak because it's relatively short, but it's very scenic and a lot of fun. Also, once you get to Pirates Cove, you can cliff dive, or watch other people jump, which is exactly what I did. The lake tends to get packed on weekends, so I got on the road early to try and beat the crowd. It was such a beautiful day, I had to pull off the road and get a quick shot of the sun burning off the fog. I arrived at the boat launch at about 9 o'clock and realized I definitely didn't beat the crowd. But I waited my turn, got on the kayak, and headed toward Pirates Cove. As you can see on the map, from the boat launch at Salmon Run to Pirates Cove is just under a mile. Once you get out of the Salmon Run area and start heading toward the Highway 19 bridge, the lake really opens up. Summersville Lake has 2,700 acres of water and over 60 miles of shoreline. There are camping areas, playgrounds, a marina that provides boat rentals, and even kayaking and pontoon boat tours. To say this is a popular place would be an understatement. All those boaters on the water means you'll have to occasionally deal with wake, so be prepared for that. The waves under the bridge are especially turbulent because they keep bouncing off of the concrete supports and limestone walls of the lake. Lots of people come here to fish, and the gorgeous green, clear water makes it a great place for swimming too. For the less adventurous, there are still lots of cool things to do and places to explore. Like these boulders. or you could just take it easy and watch the boats go by. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to order a Wild Wonderful Weekends t-shirt, I'm going to put a link in the description. Thanks, and stay safe.